Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Sam Dailisan, and I work as a remote construction project manager and construction VA coach. In today's video, we're going to talk about the different types of remote construction work, how these roles are growing in the industry, and how you can potentially start your own remote career in construction. Whether you're a seasoned construction professional or someone looking to break into the industry, I'm sure this video will provide you with some great insights. Let's dive in. Gone are the days when you had to be on site to be a part of the building process. The construction industry is embracing technology, opening up a world of exciting remote work opportunities for professionals like you. In this video, we'll explore the different types of remote work in the construction industry, the skills you need, and the benefits it offers. Stay tuned. First, we have the construction project manager role. Traditionally, this role has been on site, but with the evolution of digital tools, it's now possible to manage entire construction projects remotely. Project managers use platforms like Procore, Builder-Trend, and Contractor Foreman to oversee timelines, budgets, and teams. They're responsible for making sure a project stays on track even when they're not physically present at the site. Remote construction project managers often handle tasks like scheduling, budgeting, contractor coordination, and monitoring the overall progress using cloud-based project management software. Next is the remote construction coordinators. This role is all about assisting the project managers and ensuring the day-to-day operations run smoothly. They often handle permits, order materials, and ensure all necessary documentations is in place. Coordinator also ensures that everything is aligned from the office perspective. So even if a project manager is off-site, everything keeps moving forward. They're the backbone of the remote construction teams. Now let's talk about the role of a construction administrator. This is an essential role in any construction company. They are responsible for managing documentation, contracts, and communication across teams. In a remote setup, construction administrators handle tasks like document control, contract management, and ensuring all project paperwork is up to date and compliant with regulations. They also facilitate communication between contractors, clients, and stakeholders to make sure everything runs smoothly, even from a distance. A remote construction administrator uses cloud-based tools to organize files, track changes, and collaborate with the team. They might also assist with invoicing, preparing reports, and scheduling of meetings. With the increasing shift toward digital construction management, this role has become vital to ensuring projects stay organized and on track without being physically present on site. The next role is the remote construction estimator. Estimators are responsible for providing accurate cost estimates for construction projects. In a remote setup, they use digital blueprints and software like PlaneSwift or Bluebeam to create detailed cost breakdowns. This allows companies to bid on projects from anywhere in the world without needing to be on site. Estimators need to understand material costs, labor requirements, and market conditions to produce accurate estimates. Another key role in the remote construction is the construction scheduler. This role focuses on developing and maintaining the project schedule to ensure everything runs on time. In a remote setting, the scheduler works closely with the project managers, subcontractors, and suppliers to create and adjust timelines using scheduling softwares like Primavera, P6, Microsoft Project, or Procore. They ensure that all tasks from the start of the construction to final completion are carefully planned and executed within the deadlines. The remote construction scheduler also monitors progress, identifies potential delays, and communicates with the team to make sure any issues are addressed quickly. They also have account for lead times and materials, crew availability, and external factors such as weather or permitting delays. One of the growing areas in remote construction work is the role of the virtual assistant. These VAs handle various administration tasks like answering emails, managing schedules, and coordinating communication between clients, contractors, and suppliers. They also keep documentation organized, follow up on permits, and ensure that all regulatory paperwork is up to date. Virtual assistants in the construction help streamline communication and processes, which is crucial for remote teams. Safety is one of the most critical aspects of any construction project, and that's where the role of a remote construction safety manager comes into play. Even though traditionally this role was on-site, with advancement in technology, safety managers can now be handled remotely through the use of digital monitoring tools, safety management platforms, and regular communication with site personnel. A remote safety manager ensures that safety protocols are followed, monitors incident reports, and provides safety training through virtual platforms. They use tools like drones, live video feeds, and wearable technology to oversee the safety of workers from afar. Regularly updating safety plans, conducting virtual safety meetings, and ensuring compliance with OSHA or other safety regulations are all part of this role. Their responsibility is to maintain a safe work environment, mitigate risks, and ensure that everyone follows best practices to avoid accidents or hazards on site. Next is the BIM specialist or CAD technicians. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. CAD technicians and BIM technicians are highly sought after in remote construction roles. These professionals create detailed 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects using softwares like Revit or AutoCAD. Remote BIM specialists collaborate with design teams and project managers, providing detailed visual models that help the teams visualize construction before it begins. This is an extremely important role for large-scale projects. Finally, let's talk about the construction success manager's role. This position focuses on ensuring client satisfaction and project success from start to finish. In a remote setting, construction success managers act as a bridge between the client and the project team, ensuring that clients' needs and expectations are met, while also keeping the construction process smooth. They are involved in regular communication with clients to gather feedback, address concerns, and ensure that any issues are promptly resolved. A big part of their job is ensuring that the project stays on track, both in terms of timelines and quality, while also providing value to the client. They work closely with project managers, coordinators, and contractors to deliver updates, troubleshoot problems, and ensure all goals are met. Tools like CRM systems, project management software, and client feedback platforms are critical to this role. And as mentioned earlier, for each role, everyone in the remote construction powerhouse uses the latest tools and softwares needed for them to be successful in their different tasks. So I'll make you familiar with the different tools that our construction powerhouse uses. You are probably familiar with this thing that you see in front of you, and yeah, that is a drone. Back in the days, my son and I just used to play with it just for, instead of playing kites, this one is the modern kite. But these days, drone have become an essential tool in remote construction work. It provides a variety of benefits that improve efficiency, safety, and project management. One of that is the site surveying and mapping. Using drones, doing topographic surveys, it gives them the ability to get high resolution maps through 3D models. In remote locations or difficult terrain, drones can quickly capture site data without the need for a physical visit. Drone is also used for progress monitoring and also environmental and regulatory compliance. This next type of tool is one of my favorite construction project management software, and we call it Contractor Foreman. Contractor Foreman is a CRM. It is a comprehensive construction management software designed to streamline various aspects of project management, making it especially valuable for remote construction work. There are key uses of Contractor Foreman, but I'll be discussing that in a separate video. Blueprints play a crucial role in remote construction work, acting as the foundation for planning, design, and execution. Blueprints are utilized in remote construction settings. First, it's a centralized access sharing. In remote construction, blueprints are often stored digitally, allowing all stakeholders, the architects, the engineers, project managers, and coordinators to access from anywhere. Platforms like Contractor Foreman, Procore, and BuilderGen allow project teams to upload, share, and view blueprints online. When it comes to using tablets for remote construction work, both Android tablets and iPads are the strong contenders, each with their own advantages and limitations. You can actually compare both, but both the Android and the iPad can be used to take pictures, get an accurate documentation and reporting of the project progress. After exploring the different types of roles in the remote construction powerhouse, which among them you think you can fit in? That's a wrap up today. That's a wrap up for today's video about the different types of remote construction work. As you can see, there's a huge variety of roles that can be done remotely in this industry, and with the right skills and tools, you can thrive in these positions. Whether you're looking to switch to a remote career or just starting out, there's never been a better time to explore the opportunities in remote construction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on remote construction management, virtual assistant roles, and other construction-related tips. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if you'd like to know more about a specific role. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.